I'm so freaking exhausted. I'm working tonight and I gotta bring some food. I don't want to just eat crap, so I think I'm gonna make some salmon, asparagus, and cauliflower rice with some kale. I think that sounds okay. So, oh my gosh, what did I do? Brought the kids to daycare probably around 11, so I spent all morning with them. Got 11, 2.5 hour nap. I think this is it for me. I don't think I can go back. I don't think I can sleep anymore. So, I don't know. I guess I'm trying to do like a food prep thing. Normally I've been trying to eat more plant-based. That's not the case today. So, alright. I'm going to broil some salmon. So here's the salmon. I got it at my Smith's. I got it a couple days ago. I was meaning to cook it yesterday, but I didn't have time. And so I'm just going to brown the skin. And then I have my oven prepping to broil it just for a few minutes. That's what we're going to start doing. Alright, so here's my salmon. It's going. I just want it to be here for a couple minutes. I'm planning on taking 3 ounces to work. 3 ounces of salmon. I think it's around 9,600 calories. So this is my scale. I got it off Amazon. What's the brand? Is there a brand? Maybe I'll link it below, but I like it because it has a tar option. You can change the units. It just helps me. I mean, for me, I'm counting my calories to lose weight and to make healthier choices, and this is just super essential. So let's see. So that's going for a few minutes. So unfortunately, I don't think I have fresh asparagus. I think I bought some. I have a lot of frozen stuff just because I think with the kids it just makes it so that I'm not wasting my money. So yeah, here we go. I'm actually going to cook this frozen asparagus in the oven with the salmon when I'm broiling it. So I got that. What else do I have in here? I thought I had. Here's the fridge. Okay, I definitely want some garlic. Yes. This is the Kirkland garlic brand. And then frozen kale. I was doing spinach a lot, but kale is just so much more nutritious, and I like kale. I like the taste of kale. Some people don't. What's this? Blackened. Oh, rice. This is all the cauliflower I have. We'll see. Shoot. That can't be all the cauliflower. Oh. No, what is this? Did I mean to buy this? Vegetable pasta? I think I thought this was cauliflower. Right. Really into the rice cauliflower, especially because, like, I love to eat rice, and it just, you know, it tricks me into... Oh. Cool. Got an extra one down here. Ooh. Alright, so I think... So you can steam these, but I'm just going to cook them in the oven. I want them to kind of get some of that, you know, fish oils and stuff on it without having to add... I don't want to add olive oil to it because the fish is already, you know, pretty fatty. So, and it's already seasoned. I don't know if you guys saw that, so that's just one thing I don't have to do. I go through seasonings a lot down here. I don't know. Can you see the bottom? It's nice and a little bit burnt, but it's okay. It's just the skin. So I'm just going to go like this. I did put the oven on low broil. I know what I like my salmon to look like when I remove it. And then hold on, I think I had yeah, I did. I think this is from like last night or from yesterday. I mean, it's still pretty good. So I'm just going to put some lemon juice on this. There, cool. So is it going? Yeah, it's going. So I'm actually going to put it down here. So I'm going to let that cook. In the same pan that I was using, I'm going to start making my cauliflower rice. Okay, so the pan already has a little bit of oils from the fish that I just cooked. So I'm going to put on like what? Like a 3? Sure. Alright, so essentially this is what I do with my cauliflower. I just put it in the pan, frozen. I mean, kind of just try to break it up. You could microwave it first and then, you know, put it in the pan, but today I'm just doing this because I guess I'm lazy. I like getting my cauliflower a little bit brown. So yeah, while that's going, I'm just trying to break it up a little bit. Normally I put it a little more in the pan already broken up. And then here's kale. Let's see, I'm just gonna, oh, cool, it's already kind of broken. I mean, I love kale. I mean, it's 20 calories for 2/3 a cup, and it's got, this is, what brand is this? This is like just the Simple Truth organic. This you can also steam. But let's see, it's got like only 15 grams of sodium. So for me, it's gonna, there, that looks good. This has 210 milligrams of sodium. And the one that I just, I finished, I'm digging through the trash, totally doing it. This one by Kroger's, the rice cauliflower, it only has 20 milligrams of sodium. So this one I would reach for more. The one I have, I'm just using it because I have it. And it's for roughly the same serving size. So ignore my sink. Ugh. Yeah, like, so now that this is mostly getting cooked down, take some of my Kirkland garlic. Just gonna, my husband was telling me that like I'm supposed to use 4 times as much minced garlic of this and then you would like fresh garlic, but I'm just gonna use that much, probably like a teaspoon, just to give it a little bit of something, because you know, I mean, it's cauliflower and kale, it doesn't get that exciting. But yeah, but just always check like the sodium, because I don't know why that Bird's Eye has so much sodium in it, especially because I left the fridge open. There's another, just beware, because there's another one. It's garlic, and I expect that one to have more sodium, but why does this one have more sodium than the other ones? I think I probably didn't grab the other one because I think they were out. So the Bird's Eye one is a little more expensive than the Kroger brand, which I get at our Smith's here in Nevada. So, alright. So that's looking good. This is like a lot. I'm probably going to half it. So, I'll have some for tomorrow. But, yeah, like I said, like this steamables, this Pick Sweet steamables, the asparagus, first serving, there's only 5 milligrams of salt. And for the whole thing, there's only 15 milligrams of salt. And that Bird's Eye rice cauliflower had 210 milligrams. So I don't know why that is. But when I'm grocery shopping, I don't mind having a few extra calories as long as the salt isn't too high. Because, you know, the salt's going to make you retain water, and I want to eliminate a lot of that salt from my diet. My husband hates it because I don't add salt to a lot of my cooking, so he's always adding salt. Yeah. So that's going, and I think the salmon, yeah, the salmon's pretty much almost done, so I'm going to, I think I'm going to turn this off. So yeah, turn off. I'm going to leave that in there. This is pretty much done. Am I going to make something? I think I am. I'm going to split this up into some Tupperware, and then I'm going to, saute just like some yellow peppers or red peppers. Alright, as you can see, that's about 3.1 ounces of cauliflower and kale. I think there's a little bit more in this one. I don't have matching Tupperware. I just have whatever I got. So, so that is going to take this. I am roasting some, or not, I don't know what to call this. I'm grilling some red peppers just because it looks I like my food to be nice and colorful. So yeah, so this is going, I'm not too worried about this, it's on low. And then, where's my, okay. I'm gonna check, I turned the broil off, the oven's still warm, so the salmon's still cooking. Ah, that looks perfect. And the asparagus look good too. So, ugh. So when my husband gets home, because I don't think I'm going to see him this afternoon or the kids, which is, it makes me sad, but it's okay because I spent all morning with them and we had a nice breakfast. So this is going, I am going to weigh this out, the salmon, so, and because I don't know how to use this tripod. Oh my god. I need both hands, so I gotta put you guys down. So I cut what I thought was roughly 3 ounces. It's closer to 4. And I don't want that extra, so I'm gonna take away the, yeah, I can't do it. Alright, so that's what I had to remove from my Tupperware. 3.2, that's pretty good. So yeah. And for the asparagus, I'm not really too picky with, I just, I'm going to put half of whatever's in here because I don't think my kids or my husband's going to have any. I don't think they like asparagus that much. Ugh. So yeah, I'm just, stir frying these a little bit. So the salmon, it looks pretty good. I think my end is a little undercooked. I turned the oven off, so I'm gonna just put this back in there. It's still warm, and fish is like eggs. It's still gonna be cooking a little bit. So I think that'll be fine. Oh my gosh, I just got some of that seasoning taste for my fingers. Something is spicy. Oh my goodness, something is spicy. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little more lemon juice. It's 210. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's going to be one hell of a night. Alright. So now I'm going to hit tar. Turn this off. Alright, let's see. What do I want to measure this in? I think for veggies and stuff, it's just easier to do grams. Because I do input it in an app called My Net Diary. That's what I use. So, okay, so 3.7, 4.4. Can I make it 4.5? There we go. 4.5 grams. Oh no, 4.5. 46. 46 grams of pepper. So that's not bad. I gotta log this before I forget. All right, so I think I missed a lot, but essentially this is what my dinner looks like that I'm bringing. I think it looks very pretty. Here's my roughly estimated calculator, and it's just under 200 calories. Because you got to think that the cauliflower is like nothing, 22 calories. The kale is like 19 calories. Asparagus is 23 calories. And any fat that I have in this meal is from the fish. So like I cooked the fish first, and I just used the same pan for the other stuff, so it didn't stick or get burnt. So that's it. So less than 200 calories, your dinner. 178. Cool. All right, that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.